Hi guys, Fonzie here from GM Motorsport Australia Speed. It's a Saturday and we're working. That's how busy we are. We've got our latest LS1 241 CNC head on a VZ. These have all the goodies from factory. They're a good deal. Ramjet 2 with the yellow filter. So what we'll do is we'll hit the rolls, show what it can do. It's got all the right ingredients to make good power. Has a TK camshaft, has a manual. It's got good tyres on it, so not any hard or anything else, but we'll run it up and show you what a typical result with a good tune and a TK and a set of GM CNC heads can do. Okay, there you see, 325 rear wheel kilowatts, awesome result for an LS1. So guys, you got one of these hiding around. CNC heads do make a big difference. Our latest V3 port on this works a treat with the TK cam. It's probably the most popular cam in Australia and even now worldwide, gaining some good reputation for being the king of camshafts.